We're in Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky today on the Kamchatka Peninsula. And we're getting ready to go on a tour. It's 4:30 already. We're the last tour of the day. So we're going to get off the ship and go through immigration or whatever you might want to call it. And then get on a bus and see the town. There's a Russian guard checking passports right down there. If you can see him. He probably doesn't want me to videotape him, so I'm going to stop. But Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, going on tour. So the guards checked our passports. I've grown a little hair here and lost a little hair on top since my passport photo. So, but he said I was okay because I said "Привет," which means hello. So we're gonna walk to that building and then get on a bus and take a little ride through town. We're going to the entrance to the station. Oh, this guard's gonna say stop recording. Привет. Say it right. Exit to the city. Okay. I would think there'd be somebody here telling us where to go. Okay. So the buses are all clearly marked. Привет. Of course. Oh, do you want the ticket? Привет.
Thank you.
All right. So, nice bus. Well, that's the building we walked through, and that's the ship.
In the coastal part,
Now we're heading
we have our typical
inland a
marine
little
type
bit.
of climate, marine or maritime. It is
That's the guide talking.
Mild winters in comparison, of course, with Siberian frosts, for example. So in winter the temperature is about -10, -15 degrees centigrade. So you see a black column on the pedestal.
New buildings, old buildings, buildings being remodeled, graffiti.
So one shouldn't confuse Kamchatka with Siberia. It is an independent land with its own peculiar. It prepares many different specialties.
So we're up in town now.
Some mathematical modeling specialists and so on.
And I guess these are little
but
shops.
It is more oriented to humanitarian arts.
And a bunch of Russians.
Sciences. I am a teacher of that
And a
university.
tank.
I teach English there, so I studied it when it was the institute and continue.
So we're coming up to a church. There's that one. There's a fancy one up on the hill here.
Two Russian Orthodox
Which you're
churches
gonna see
were
in a
built according
minute.
to the canons of ancient Byzantine temples. They are
Russian
called by
Orthodox,
basilica.
I believe, but I really don't know the name of it yet.
That's
pretty slick. I think we're going to stop here and get out and have a look.
So when we go inside the church, for women it is advisable to cover the head somehow with a scarf or something like that. It's not a very strict rule, but sometimes the priests and those women who usually serve in church.
You could probably tell this is all in Russian, so I still don't know the name of it. But they said, wear a hat when you go in. So I'm going to wear a hat when I go in. Look at the mountains off in the distance there. Maybe you can see the mountains a little better now. I mean, those are some enormous mountains with a glacier on top. There's snow. Remember, this is the end of August, so if it hasn't melted by now, I don't know if it's going to. Which might make it a glacier. So he's got, oh. I was going to say it's got somebody's face on it, but I think I know who that is. Anyway. So, we're going in. I have my hat on. think they might be having church here. Good luck. So I don't know if that music's copyrighted or not. I'm going to let it play, but I'm going to talk over it as much as I possibly can. Look at that. Gift shop. I believe it's all in rubles though, of which I have none. So there was the church. There's the steeple. We opened the door, it was full of people.
Students and more at one course of the foreign language department. They studied English, Japanese, Chinese, French and German and Korean, and so on. But now we have only two groups at each course, so one group of interpreters and one group of teachers. And so the second language is Chinese and the French for interpreters. Unfortunately, there is only one city in Russia, Moscow, which offers the majority of opportunities for young people, and they so very often leave their native places. So we are coming to the central part of the city, the central square. In front of you can see Nikolskaya Hill. So on the right, Avacha Bay.
So we just got off the bus near the seashore. We're going to see the Lenin monument over there. There's another shiny gold-domed Orthodox church over there, but that's not the one we looked at. Oh, she's crossing. This looks like a Toyota Tundra. And it is. And that looks like a statue of Lenin. There's a statue of, I'm not sure who. It's a really pretty place here, except it's kind of falling apart a little. We've got a lake here. With, I don't know, like a resort here. There's that church being built. You probably can't see too much of this because it's so far away. This cat's got a cannon though, so watch out. There's Lenin. And there's Peter and Paul with the cross, but Petropavlovsk means Peter and Paul. So we've gotten off the bus one more time. And we're going to visit an old church, I think, instead of a new church. Ooh, a big spider. That's a Russian spider. Oh, I got this thing. Something was crawling on my leg. So we've got the cannons here. And we've got this, I don't know. They said it's an old church. So I'm guessing it's an old church. Looks more like a monument, and it's got its own set of cannons up there. We're walking this path over to a statue here. And I think it's jolly old Saint Nick. These are the first pine trees I've seen. Most of these trees are aspens or something, she said. I don't know what. But these are pine. Definitely. Of some sort. I mean, maybe they're spruce, maybe they're cedar, redwood. Who knows? Who's the cat with all the toys? Nick! St. Nicholas. That's right. Well, we drove a few feet so that we could see this building. Not even sure what it is. There's a water, seaport. Oh, that's our ship. Right there. So, whatever that building is. There's some people taking pictures here and riding scooters. Oh, I see. We're going over there, though, I think. Maybe. These people are Russians. Maybe spies. So those are Russian pigeons. So our guide is up there, waving us to come up. Want to see the Russian pigeon? Want me to catch a Russian pigeon? Привет. That's all I know. I amazed them with my grasp of the Russian language. You could tell. What's the White House? La Casa Blanca. Baby there is crying in Russian. Oh, you can't hear it now. So this is the wooden church that allegedly has no nails. I wonder if it has screws, though. That we are entering the log cabin. I think they need to do a little refinishing work. But it's not bad. Somebody lost their hat. If you want to leave a message, this is the place. Maybe it's glue. Oh, calendars, 2020 coming up.
Yes, it's cold water.
How's the smell of wood? So we're gonna take a look at the gift shop here. There's some holy water. Have a try. Have a try. Look at all these things. These are pretty cool. We have some candles. Got a lot of photos. And calendars. Lots of 2020 calendars. And books. And Janet. And let's go out. Those are pretty nice. Got some clothes. Oh, they had this stuff for you to put on your head. Dope. That was the wooden church in there. And of course, we didn't go in the church right next to it that they're building for some reason. And these people are cutting across the grass. Don't do it, don't do it. So we drove partway up a mountain so we can look out across the sea. And I guess we're sort of at the top of it, maybe. You can see the city down there, or you will in a minute. So I think she said these were aspen trees. I don't know. Huh, good luck. there's a lot of military ships out there. Russian Navy, I would think. And the volcano. I guess the mountain goes up a little higher. About 16 feet. Oh, the baby plane. There's the ship right there. Oh, gotta be nice. So finally what some of those places were. Anyway, so we're about ready to get back on the bus. There's the ship. There's the more ships. And so there's guy rode that bike all the way up here, and I don't know if you could tell, but our guide's gone, so we may have to walk back to the ship. I don't know. It's a possibility. Oh, that was just for us. GoPro. Anyway, rocks shaped like hearts. We're gonna get back on the